Replacing instances of a character in a string. This simple code that simply tries to replace semicolons at I specified postions by colons does not work. It gives the error. How can I work around this to replace the semicolons by colons? Using replace does not work as that function takes no index. There might be some semicolons I do not want to replace. Example. In the string I might have any number of semicolons, for example, hey there, hello there. I know which ones I want to replace, I have their index in the string. Using replace does not work as I'm not able to use an index with it.
Strings in Python are immutable, so you cannot treat them as a list and assign to indices. Use .replace instead. If you need to replace only certain semicolons, you'll need to be more specific. You could use slicing to isolate the section of the string to replace in. That'll replace all semicolons in the first 10 characters of the string.
You can do the below to replace any char with a respective char at a given index, if you wish not to use .replace.
Turn the string into a list. Then you can change the characters individually. Then you can put it back together with .join.
If you want to replace a single semicolon. Haven't tested it though.
This should cover a slightly more general case, but you should be able to customize it for your purpose.
If you want to support the channel, please send this subscribing.